In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create URL redirects in Wix. Redirects are essential whenever you rename a page, change a slug, or remove content. They make sure visitors who hit an old link are automatically taken to the correct page, and they help preserve your search rankings by preventing broken links and 404 errors. Let's walk through the exact flow inside Wix and talk about a few best practices along the way so you feel confident setting these up. Start in your Wix dashboard. From there, head into Settings. This is where most of your site-wide controls live. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see SEO Tools. Wix keeps redirect controls here because they directly affect how search engines and users reach your content. Click URL Redirect Manager to open the place where all your redirects are organized. Inside the manager, select the plus new redirect button. This opens the form where you'll define what should happen. In the old URL field, enter the address you want to redirect from. Think of this as the outdated or broken link. If your site is already connected to a domain, Wix typically expects the path that comes after your domain, starting with a /. Accuracy matters here. Pay attention to slashes and spelling so you catch the exact URL people might still be using. Next, in the new URL field, enter the destination, the page you want visitors to land on instead. This can be another page on your site, such as a new product or blog post, or even a full external URL if the content now lives elsewhere. Choose the most relevant landing page to maintain a seamless user experience. When you're choosing the redirect type, select 301 Permanent Redirect. This is the recommended option because it tells search engines the move isn't temporary. Over time, a 301 helps transfer ranking signals from the old address to the new one, which is important for maintaining your SEO performance. A 302 is generally used only for short-term situations like limited campaigns or seasonal pages and isn't ideal for permanent changes. Once everything looks correct, click Save to activate it. From that point on, anyone who tries to visit the old address will be automatically sent to the new one. If you manage a lot of redirects, it can be helpful to keep a simple list of old and new URLs for future reference and to avoid chains where one redirect points to another. Clean, one-to-one redirects are faster and more reliable. That's all it takes to create URL redirects in Wix. Simple, fast, and effective for both users and search engines.